Now I would like to go back to another page, which is before the presets, the AV settings. It's the mixer page. The mixer page is actually a hands-on mixer of all inputs and outputs, including the amplifier, and that's the only page that you can control the volume of the amp over here. This is the amp section. So you've got the analog inputs over here, and you have Dante inputs and all the input HDMI and SPD over here. And down here you've got outputs, all the outputs. Another thing which is the global pre and post over here. I can set a global pre and post for all the channel if I want to get a measurement after at the gain stage pre-matrix post process. Then I go to then I press post, and I'll get all the channels at post mode. Same as with global pre over here. And I can set each channel as I like. I can mute, I can phase invert, and set post or pre. I can also link from here. If I click link over here, I can link the output and input channels. So this is a hands-on mixer with all input, all IOs for comfortable session. Another important thing to mention here on the mixer page is the snapshot presets over here. So this is actually a snapshot of the mixer only, meaning if you change something here, you have a setup for an event, a room, or anything else, then in order to save the current snapshot over here, let's say I did some settings over here, I want to save it to snapshot 1. I click on store, I have this all green, and I can save it to any of the snapshot boxes over here. So I'll save it to snapshot 1, and there it goes. It's saved to snapshot 1. Now if I go to snapshot 2, it will reset. So if I'll click on snapshot 1, I'll have the snapshot I saved. I can clear the snapshot by clicking on clear over here and just click on the actual snapshot right now or any other snapshot I've saved to. Now if I click on snapshot 1 and click it again, it should be cleared. We have also next and previous control here, so you can go to snapshot 2, snapshot 3 with next and previous buttons. You can also go from, let's say you're on snapshot 1 and then you jumped to snapshot 9. You have a last button over here that you can jump right back to snapshot 1. So this is all the control you have in the mixer page.